Hello, it's ALIMECH. In today's video, I will show you what tools you will need to replace engine oil and the filter on 2014 to 2018 Jeep Cherokee V6 engine. These are the tools and the products you will need. 6 liter of 5W20, but you will need 5.6 liter, which is 6 squirts, and a filter, drain pan, 13 and 24mm socket, and the engine flush is optional. So the first thing I'm gonna do, adding the flush to the engine, because additive been added to the previous oil and our new liquid moly oil already contain additive. You can skip this step if you haven't added additive before. So removing the engine oil cap and adding additive and turning the engine on. According to the can instruction, let the engine idle for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let's turn the engine off and drain the oil. Put the drain pan under the engine drain bolt and use 13mm socket to undo the 13mm drain bolt. While the oil is draining, let's remove the filter. You can remove it from here, but I prefer to remove the whole cover. It will give us more room to work. Use the 24mm socket and the extension to remove the filter housing. Replacing the filter is very easy. Just pull the old filter from the housing and clean the inner side, and put the new O-ring and the filter on. And I use new oil to oil the O-ring. Okay, let's put the drain bolt back on and use the 13mm socket. Next, the filter housing, and use 24mm socket and the extension. Now I'm gonna fill it up with 5.6 liter of 5W20 liquid moly engine oil. You can use any brand you like. Okay, that was 5 liter. I'm gonna add 0.6 liter more. Okay, we are done removing the funnel and putting the cap and the cover back on. Now I'm gonna turn the engine on and check for a leak from the filter housing and the drain bolt. Now turn the engine off and wait 5 minutes till the oil goes back to oil pan. Check the dipstick level, and we are at the middle between low and high, and that's the right level. And that's how to replace engine oil and the filter on 2017 Jeep Cherokee V6 engine. Hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.